whether or not you like it. You're always low when he's high. Danger, danger. Here's how it is repeated. I think I got the fever. I think he's getting heated. Now I heard people say that he's a leader, and some others say he's a deceiver. I think I'm falling for it. I'm a believer. He's afflicted, so addicted.